Hi, I'm Mike, I'm the CEO. Investors in People put me in touch with a lot of companies, not necessarily in our industry, and so I speak to a lot of business owners, and actually most of the time the business owners aren't fully engaged in the process. They have a HR team, so they cascade it out to the HR team and assume the HR team are going to do all this work. Actually for us it's all the senior leadership team, so it's properly owned, so there is no getting away from it. It's ingrained in everything we do, every conversation, every interaction, whether it be with customer, supplier or internal colleagues. And actually I notice it when we send people on external training courses or supplier days or away days, they always come back with positive stories in terms of they might be speaking to people that are part of very large organisations, and previously they might have gone and been a bit tentative, thinking, well, we're only a little window company in Lincoln, what do we know? Actually they come back realising that we know a lot more than they thought we did, and actually we're in a better place from our people side of it than a lot of these big organisations. So yeah, it gives them the pride to kind of express themselves and generally be proud of what they've achieved.